Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to Hot or Hubak in the loving memory of Sarat Chandra Sohoria. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. This is a quiz basically on Indian music and Indian movie. This is open to all, and those who are watching this video on 13th of October before 9 p.m. You people can comment your answers. You can submit your answers in the Google form that is provided in the description and also in the competition group. So submit the answers before 9:30 p.m. Uh, so here we go with the competition. Uh, so remembering Sharat Chandra Sahoria. So 3 months ago he passed away because of the COVID, ongoing COVID, and here is the organizers, Kaustav Maneswaria. In the words of organizer, so Kaustav Maneswaria says like this: Heart of Hubak, a new initiative in the loving memory of my beloved father, the man who was astonished by the blooming of the autumnal jasmines. Autumnal jasmines will be always alive through his initiative. Since the age I began to observe the world, I always found my father immersing deeply in poetry and music. In every pinpoint of life, our house was enlightened since the morning as he used to sing the songs of evergreen Bhupenda, Zubinda, and Arijit. With utmost respect and devotion to his glittery smile, I am going to organize the quiz named Hot or Huba on the occasion of third month Tithi of my father's demise, that is 13 October 2020. Thanking wholeheartedly to Rajiv Bull on behalf of my entire family for offering his valuable time and conducting the quiz. That was the words from the organizer, and I am very privileged to organize this quiz for you, Kostav. So before going on to the quiz, I would like to thank these people who had provided the instrumentals and the voice uh, to this particular quiz. Amod from HNBGU, Najib from Tejpur University, Dipshika from Cotton University, Rimpi from Handic Girls College, Sagarika from GDC Dibrugarh, Avina from Tejpur University, Avijit from Cotton University, and Pritam from Tejpur University. Thank you once again uh, for this huge contribution. And obviously, special thanks to Abhijit, who was with me throughout the journey of this quiz when Kaustav Manish Haria called me. From then only, Abhijit was with me. And thank you, Anandita Di, for the support and the few questions from her side in this particular quiz. So let's move on to the quiz section. Question 1. So question: this person was the sponsor for Chennai Calls team for the national team championship in 1983, making him the first sponsor of the chess great Viswanathan Anand. Who? So this particular picture is of the chess giant, but I'm looking for a particular another giant who basically sponsored the Chennai Calls team for the national team championship in 1983. So make and that particular sponsorship make the first sponsor of uh, chess great Vishwanathan Anand. So simply tell who is this person. So think someone from Indian music, someone from Indian movies that can fit into the answer, and obviously this is question number 1. So this is another dedicated question to a very famous person, so that can be a clue for you. So think this is a question number 1, and this is a dedicated question to a particular person, so think on that line. So basically the question asks, who is the first sponsor of the chess great Vishwanathan Anand? So question number 2. Mirutya Gangster is a 2015 Indian Hindi language crime comedy film written and directed by Jaishan Kadri and produced by Gibran Nurani. The film score is composed by Vivek Kar and Siddhant Mishra. Mirutya Gangster was released in this particular date. In this movie, there is a song which was sung by a famous person who was also in news because of a certain withdrawal because of personal and family issue. So who is this person being talked about? So there was a song in this particular movie which was sung by a very famous person, and he was in news because of certain withdrawal. So because of a certain withdrawal, because of the family and the personal issue. So that is a big giveaway hint. So family and personal issue, personal and family issue. So a certain withdrawal was done. So this person was in news because of that. So I'm looking for the name of the singer who sang a particular song from this particular movie. So Meet a Gangster, a 2015 film. So without doing any further delay, moving on to question number 3. The person in image 1 is best known for his contribution to one famous organization where he worked in 1930s and 1940s. So who and what contribution? 5 plus 5. So there are a few questions which are 20 marks question. So I will mention them whenever it comes. So this is one of them. So he along with the person in image 2 and few others founded something. So founded something from the music or the movie world. So image 1, who is he and what is his very famous contribution for one particular organization where he worked from 1930s to 1940s. So he along with the person on image 2 and few others founded something. So what was founded along with the person in image 2? So this is a 20 pointers. So rest of the questions are 10 pointer. For the 20 pointer I will mention which are 20 pointers. So this is a 20 pointer question and the mark distribution is 5 plus 5 plus 10. So note that. So in this question I am looking for the person in image 1, his famous contribution for the organization where he worked in 1930s and 1940s and what was founded along with the person in image 2 by person in image 1. So that is what I'm looking for this in particular question. So moving on to next question, question number 4. So in September 1929 it was formed a merger of operation of Dutch company and British soap maker with the name of the resulting company. A portmanteau of the name of both company is because of some specific connection of a person, he got a famous stage name. The person's career beginning can be easily traced from the movie, from this particular movie. So who? So I'm looking for a name of a person. So his career's beginning can be traced from this particular movie. The poster is given, and in the first para there is a description about a particular company, uh, and basically a history of that particular company. So in September 1929 it was formed by a merger. So looking for what specific connection or basically the famous stage name. So you can give who is this, either the real name or the stage name would do. So simply give me who. Easy one. Moving on to question number 5. So this is the first two para of which very famous song, which is from a movie whose name, not same, whose name is basically taken from the two central uh, characters in the movie. So these are the first two paragraph. So simply the famous song. I'm not looking for the name of the movie. For the name of the movie I have given the clue, but I'm not looking for the movie. Make it clear. So this is I'm looking for a very famous song. So which very famous song? It is Aksharam Chadavakunda, Pustakam Peru Petasana, Adbhutam Edutananna, Chupu Tipasanna. So I'm looking for a particular very famous song. So which song? So easy one though. Very famous song. Basically, if I want to give a clue, I would say this was very viral in social media. So viral in social media can be a giveaway hint. Moving on to question number 6. So there's an audio for this question. So question number 6 is audio. So let us listen to Narji. First, and here we go. Narji is from Tejpur University. Here is her voice.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ও রে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয় যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায় সবাই করে ভয় তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফতে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে ও তুই মুখ ফতে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে
Thank you, Narji, for the beautiful voice. So here we go with the question. Question number Question number 6. So this song was written at a particular town in a modern day Indian state of India. It was one of the 20 plus protest songs written during the Indian freedom movement and along with another famous song. It became one of the key songs of the anti-partition movement in Bengal presidency in 1905. Identified a modern day Indian state, the other famous song whose hymn was adopted from Gagan Harkara's songs Ami Kothai Pabotare. So this is a 20 pointer question, 10 plus 10. So modern day Indian state and the very famous other song, the other famous song with this particular song which was written there. So very key. So since many songs were written at that particular time, so for the clues I can give that the hymn of that particular song was adapted from Gagan Harkara's songs Ami Kothai Pabotare. So that is what I am asking for in this question. Question number 7. So simply identify the rest to question number 7. So this is not a 20 pointer, though there are two parts in this question, but this is not a 20 pointer question. Plus 5 plus 5 plus and 5. So 5 plus 5, total of 10 points only. So identify the rest too. In the middle, this is Kabir Singh. So give me the blanks. So moving on to question number 8. So this is a movie Kappan, which is Indian Tamil language action thriller film written and directed by K.V. Anand and co-written by Puttokottai Prabhakar. It was produced by Laika Production and stars Surya, Mohanlal, Arya Shegal, Boman Irani, Samuthirakani and Chirag Jani. Sorry for my mispronunciation. The movie was to deal with something with the agriculture issue. What was the issue that was in news in the mid of 2020? So a particular agriculture issue was in news in the mid of the 2020. Simply tell which agriculture issue is being talked about in this particular movie. So it has to deal with something from the agricultural sector. So this movie Kappan, which is a Tamil movie, has to deal with something from the agricultural sector. So what from agricultural sector is being talked about. So not doing any further delay, moving on to question number 9. So he represented India at 1958 Asian Games in Tokyo, Japan. He was not interested in steeplechase running at first, but discovered it in the military. He went on to the national champion, on to be national champion of 9 minutes and 2 seconds in 3000 meters steeplechase. Event remained unbroken for 10 years. Identify him. A movie with the same name also came out in 2010 based on him. So identify this particular person. A movie with the same name around in 2010 came out based on him, and obviously due to certain reason this particular movie was in news. So identify him or the movie with the same name. Obviously both are same, so easy one. Moving to question number 10. In question number 10 we have a beautiful voice by Deepshika. Let us hear it.
इशारों इशारों में दिल लेने वाले बताए हुनर तूने सीखा कहाँ से निगाहों निगाहों में जादू चलाना मेरी जान सीखा है तुमने जहाँ से हो मेरे दिल को तुम भा गए मेरे क्या थी इसमें खता मुझे जिसने तड़पा दिया यही थी वो जालिम अदा यही थी वो जालिम अदा ये रांझा की बातें ये मजनू के किस्से अलग तो नहीं है मेरी दास्तां से इशारों इशारों में दिल लेने वाले बताए हुनर तूने सीखा कहाँ से
Thank you, Deepshika. So here's the question.
ईशा
Question number 10. It is a late 1970s Telugu language action drama film produced by Rama Murthy under the Satyarthi production banner and directed by K. Shankar. It stars N.T. Ramarao, Latha in the lead roles, and the music composed by K.V. Mahadevan. So this film is a remake of one famous Bollywood movie which was released 15 years earlier than the Telugu film. So name both the movie. So in this question we have two parts. So plus 10 and plus 10. So 10 plus 10 we have two parts. Name the Hindi movie and name the Hindi basically the Bollywood movie and the Telugu movie. So two parts for the Hindi movie. Obviously this is a giveaway since a song from that particular movie was already played. So name both the movie. So obviously of one part is easier and the second part you have to know the movie Telugu movie from the 1970s and it will be giveaway for if you can read the Telugu if you can read the language Telugu as in the poster it is given only. So name this Telugu movie and the Indian movie. Name the Bollywood movie and the Telugu movie. So moving on to next question. Question number 11. Born in Rawalpindi, now in Pakistan, on 21 July 1930, his ancestors were Mohilal Brahmins from Kuri near Rawalpindi and had their origins in Kashmir. His family arrived in Delhi via Dakota aircraft and then migrated to Pune, then Meerut and settled finally in Delhi. So who is this? So photo is already given. So obviously you can take a cue from that and whose biodata or whose history is being described in this particular question. So born in Rawalpindi in Pakistan. So who is being talked about? His family arrived in Delhi via Dakota aircraft and then migrated to Pune, then Meerut, and then finally to Delhi. So who is this person? Who is this person in the question? So for clues, I would say a very, very, very famous lyricist. So very famous lyricist. So now you have only few guess to take. So very famous lyricist is already given as a clue. So now take a guess and you will obviously get it correct. Going to question number 12. So this is a song folio of a particular Assamese movie, which can be marked as an advent of to Assamese commercial cinema. For the sequel, one of the lead star cast of the original is directing it, casting his own son with multiple other stars. So, with the help of the poster of the sequel, identify the movie. So, remember one thing: you have to write the name of the original movie, not the sequel one. With the help of the sequel one, you can obviously get the first movie, which was an advent to SMS commercial cinema. So, this is a song folio in the top, and there is a poster of the sequel in the bottom. So you have to name the movie which was an advent to Assamese commercial cinema. In fact, you can take a guess from the names there, especially the names in the red. So, which movie? So, if the clues are taking you away from the answers, so that's up to you how you think. But let me tell you, if you are thinking on the correct direction, don't listen to me, don't listen on the clues. Just these are the vague clues. Simply tell the name of the movie whose folio of the songs is given there. So Jilika Jilika Tora Akhore, Akakore, and Ki Nam Di Matim. So this is one of the famous song, Ki Nam Di Matim. Obviously, every one of you have heard. And if you are Assamese, obviously you have heard. But this is a very famous movie. Going to question number 13. This is one movie, Ganga Maiya Tohe Pyari Chadaivo, was released in 1960s at the Veena Cinema, Patna. The film was directed by Kundan Kumar and produced by Biswanath Prasad Shahbadi on the behest of Des. Fill in the blanks with a person who wrote his autobiography during the prison term in Bankipur jail. So I am looking for a person who wrote his autobiography during his prison term in Bankipur jail. So this person has a specific movie connection as well. So Ganga Maiya Tohe Pyari Chadaivo. So I'm looking for a person. I would say, if you are thinking in the line of the Bhojpuri movies or the Bihari movies, don't think on that line. Think someone who is not related to movie to give out the answer here. So who is this person? Moving on to question number 14. For question number 14, we have one audio from Amod. So here we go.
मन भर मैगी मेरी सुध बुध खुएगे मन भर मैगी मेरी सुध बुध खुएगे सोनी तेरी बासु रे सुर सोनी तेरी बासु रे सुर बण मसूरे सुर बासुरे बण मसूरे सुर बण मसूरे सुर बासुरे बण मसूरे सुर मन भर मैगी मेरो सुध बुध खुएगे मन भर मैगी मेरो सुध बुध खुएगे सोनी तेरी बासु रे सुर सोनी तेरी बासु रे सुर मसूरे सुर बासुरे बण मसूरे सुर बण मसूरे सुर बासुरे बण मसूरे सुर भोरा पुतला भी फूल छोड़ीत चकुला अपना घोल छोड़ीत भोरा पुतला फूल छोड़ीत चकुला अपना घोल छोड़ीत रंग मत वेगे अगिना तेरी धुन सुनीत रंग मत वेगे अगिना तेरी धुन सुनीत सुरीली धुन सुनीत हिवाली काठों यूं गोलन लेगे हिवाली काठों यूं गोलन लेगे सोनी तेरी सुरी सुर सोनी तेरी बांसुरी सुर बण मसूरे सुर बांसुरी बण मसूरे सुर मन भर मैगी मेरी सुध बुध खुएगे मन भर मैगी मेरी सुध बुध खुएगे सोनी तेरी बांसुरी सुर सोनी तेरी बांसुरी सुर बण मसूरे सुर बांसुरी बण मसूरे सुर बण मसूरे सुर बांसुरी बण मसूरे.
Thank you, Amod, for the beautiful voice. So here's the question, question number 14. A singer of this song is known for the melodious voice not just in Hindi but also in many different languages. Lyrics by Devi Prasad and composed by Kuwar Singh Babla. This song is in which language? And who is the singer of this particular song? So singer of this song is known for the melodious voice, just not in Hindi only, and but in very different languages. And the song was played. So you have to identify the name of the language and who is the singer of this particular song. So this is a two-part question. So 10 plus 10. So for the singer, 10 points. For the language, you will get 10 points. So who is this? Who is the singer of this song? Who is known for? He is known for. Who is known for? Who is known for the melodious voice, not just in Hindi but also in many different languages, and name the language. As simple as that. 10 plus 10. Moving on to question number 15. So easy one. Which character from a very famous movie is based on him? Be specific. So I'm looking for a very specific answer. I'm not looking for the name of the movie. I'm looking for a character, and that too very specific. He is an engineer. He is an Indian engineer, innovator, and education reformist. He is the founding director of the Student Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh. So, which was founded in 1988 by a group of students who had been, in his own words, the victims of alien education system foisted on Ladakh. So, which particular character from a very famous movie is based on him? So I am repeatedly saying very specific, be very specific. So which character? So I deliberately omitted his name, because many of you know the fact, but many of you don't know who this person is. So I'm not looking for the name of the person, but I'm looking for the name of the character which is based on him from a very famous movie. Moving on to question number 16. Question 16. Once Lata Mangeshkar ji couldn't report for recording, this gave an idea to the eccentric AKG. He convinced music director Salil Chaudhary and went on to do it in a final recorded version with AKG. This instance came during the recording for a particular song from a movie. Which movie and who is AKG? So I'm looking for AKG, a variable you can say, or you can say I'm looking for the full form of AKG or the famous name, and which movie is being talked about. So during a particular recording for a particular song from a movie, this particular instance happened. A particular idea was given by AKG to the director Salil Chaudhary, and went on to do it. So which particular movie and who is AKG? Easy one. So in this question you have two parts, plus 10 and plus 10. So 10 plus 10 for movie, plus 10, and for AKG and explanation you will get 10. So 10 plus 10, explanation as in who is AKG or what is the full form of AKG. So in the second part you have to give basically two parts again, so 10 plus 10. So moving on to question number 17. Before that we have to listen to this particular song by Sagarika. Here she goes.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I have come. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Not a shot on my back, not a penny to my name. I cannot go back home all this way. La 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 la, la 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 la. I cannot go back home 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles, 500 miles. I cannot go back home 500 miles.
So thank you Sagarika, and Sagarika has also a YouTube channel. She also on a YouTube channel. You can subscribe her and listen to her in her channel. So link is in the description. So moving on to the question part. Question number 17. Here you go. Connect and explain. So there is a poster of a movie. So and this particular song, in case you skip the song part, so this is the lyrics of that particular song. Since I'm not playing the song again, so you can read out here. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I'm gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. So which something a connection and the explanation. So I'm looking for two specific words or two specific proper nouns in this question. So in the answer I'm looking for two proper noun and one explanation. So mentioning those two proper noun will do also. So what connection? A movie poster and a song. So think this is Indian music and movie quiz. So moving on to question number 18, the penultimate question. So throughout the history of medieval India, the kings were patron of music. This helped in increased popularity of this among royal families. In Rajasthan and Gujarat, it was first musical instrument to be learned by prince. So identify this instrument which get its name from one particular mythological character and also give another instrument in the lute of the category from the northeast state of Manipur. So I'm looking for a particular instrument which get its name from the from one particular mythological character. Photo is in the image. So the photo of the instrument is in the image. The person is playing that, and there is one another similar instrument in the lute category from the northeastern state of Manipur. So there are two parts, 10 plus 10. So two instrument, 10 plus 10. So I'm looking for two instrument here. Simply name both 10 plus 10. So before moving on to the last question, thank you for participating in this quiz. Thank you from my side. Thank you from Kaustav Manish Sahoria's side. and hope you will do well. Answer the questions in the Google form whose link is given in the description of the video. Don't forget to answer there and submit the answer before 9:30 p.m. So 9:30 is the deadline. If there is any change, I will change in the timing. I will notify you people. So here's the last question. Question number 19. So this is a scene from 2019 Indian Malayalam language romantic comedy film directed by Omar Lulu. The screenplay was written by Sarang Jayaprakash and Lijo Panadan from a story by Omar Lulu. So name the movie. So this is a this is a scene from 2019 Malayalam movie. So another scene from this particular movie was very viral in last year. So I'm looking for the name of the movie, Malayalam movie. So for clues, I would say a scene from from this particular movie was viral all around the social media. So I'm not looking for that particular scene, but the name of the movie. So name the movie. I'm down with battery, so I think I need to end only. But since it was the last question, so no worries. So question number 19 is done. So you have to name this particular movie, and moreover, there are 6 20 pointers and 13 10 pointers, so a total of 250 points are to grab. So hope you give the prelims well and wait for the answer video. We'll be releasing the answer video as soon as the quiz ends. So that's all from our side. Thank you and hope you enjoyed the quiz, and don't forget to give the reviews later on. Thank you.